When it comes to energy efficiency, discussions often lead to replacing windows, replacing lights, or additional insulation. But what many don't know is that the biggest energy savings can be made in the plant room.
The new unit will reduce energy use by approximately 85,000 kilowatt hours per year.
The saving of 85,000 kilowatt hours per year in this project corresponds to 50 kilowatt hours per square metre and year.
This air handling unit exchange took 3 days. Payback for the property owner is 5 years.
What many also are unaware of is that replacing older air handling units has a short payback time, often 2 to 5 years, compared to a solar cell investment that has a payback period of 6 to 10 years. We see a development where more and more people are replacing their air handling units. The savings potential is huge, as 85% of Europe's buildings are not considered to be energy efficient. Replacing an older air handling unit is a very profitable sustainability investment. Have you looked in your plant room? Do you have air handling units that are over 20 years old? If so, there is a lot of energy and money to save. Want to know more? Contact us or your ventilation contractor.